So as you are creating questions, Google Forms is going to give you an initial question that is in the multiple choice format. You have options here. So first you might want to type in who was the first American president. So Google Forms is actually going to attempt to answer the question for you if it's something that it thinks it knows. And so in this case, it's suggesting that you put in this particular answer as one of the correct answers. You may not want to have a multiple choice, so you have a lot of different options here in terms of what type of question this is. Short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down are the ones that I use the most, but of course you could use a linear scale, date or time. Any of those would certainly be useful as well. So when you are adding your answers, if you are transferring over a quiz, maybe you had a quiz in Google Docs, and you're transferring the answers over to your Google form, if you already have it in multiple choice format, you can actually select all of your potential answers, all 4 of your answers, copy them, and then paste them. And Google Forms will automatically put each one on a different line. So I'll show you how to do that here. So if this were my question, Plessy versus Ferguson was decided in blank, I could copy it, paste it in my practice, and then I would also go over and copy, since I already had this test created, paste the potential answers here. Now notice that the Google form decided to give me an actual date here. I want to have multiple choice, so I'll change that. I'll click here and then I will paste them in and all answers will be placed there. I want to do the answer key as I go along. This is going to be what creates it into a self-graded assessment. So I'll press the word answer key and then I will select the correct answer, which is 1896. I would then press done and I can see that this is going to be my correct answer there. So when a student goes to take it, of course they won't see this, but you can look at what their view is going to be by pressing that little I in the top right hand corner, and this is what the quiz looks like to a person attempting to take it. You can also, if you have questions that have the same multiple choice options, you can certainly duplicate questions, or maybe you have a matching section with a drop-down menu. You can certainly do multiple choice or duplicate the question. But when you do that, notice when I duplicate the answer or the question, it does automatically give an answer. So you'll want to make sure you go in and change that in the question for your duplicate. You can also delete questions this way.